Uh-huh. So each engine has its own name, huh? You just imagine the engineering to have this as is.
I still might try to go back to school.
What in fact is that?
Oh, that's I think that's a computer, aviation computer.
Elevation and azimuth.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was their computer back in the
Yeah.
day.
Yeah. But I think that actually they just put in that as a display, but I think that actually was a gun port. I think originally.
Yeah.
Yeah, this plane is classified as experimental because it's no longer viable for commercial service. Oh, so their rear tail gun was automated. There, because there used to be a person who used to sit here, down here.
Gunner, right?
Yeah, but they automated it in these planes.
I'm glad I wasn't living back then, because I think even if I were around, I would not want to go.
It's weird because a lot of planes
I guess I would have been an officer.
Oh, here's another gun. They had two guns. See, this one here is does have a person there, and it has a computer so he can control the guns. So maybe that side door is for to control this computer. I mean this gun.
Yeah. So what type of technology assist did they have then? I mean, it's said that the government sometimes is ahead of what they tell you.
Right. Well, I think most of it, these were mechanical computers.
Yeah.
These were top secret too. During the war.
Oh, at least top secret, yeah.
Yeah. And during the Korean War, yeah, when they were flying during the Korean War, I know she was retired in the 1960s. Oh, wow.
B-29 was continuing to serve through the Korean conflict before being retired in the 1960s.
And this plane was used to carry the bomb over Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Wow. Yet during the Korean War, it was used until the North Koreans started getting MiGs. Then they were shooting, the MiGs were shooting these planes down, and they had to stop using these planes.
at least, you know, we can, this is good for the whole day, right?
Mm-hmm. We got another plane there, a Mustang,
Uh-huh.
and I saw another 2 planes there. It must have been quite noisy when these engines start.
Yeah.
So this is Ingrid,
Yeah, yeah.
and what's the other one? I can't make that.
Mitzi?
Can't make out.
Mitzi.
Mitzi.
Yeah. Wow, look at that crowd.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Notice. And that round thing is the axis. Nice talking to you.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are we doing?
Good.
Good.
Should I leave my backpack here
You can if you'd like.
so I don't like
I can take it
space?
and hold it for a moment if you'd like.
Okay, good.
What, back